So this is a clip from a few years back. We were at an intersection with a student waiting to make a left turn. This was a 4-circle light. We were waiting for the green arrow, and once the light came on, the vehicle in front of us started making the turn on the green arrow, right about there. And as we came into the intersection, the vehicle approaching from the left wasn't paying attention, and you can see the tip of their car there. They almost T-boned us here. They were going a really fast speed. They just last second realized that they're running the red and slammed on their brake. So just going back here again, the point of this video is that the green arrow came on 8 seconds into this video, and by the time we were into the intersection around here, this is when we almost got T-boned, and this is 17 seconds into the video. So about 9 seconds later, after the light had gone green for us, this person was still running the red light. So we need to be scanning the intersection before we enter into the intersection. Now, unfortunately, at this intersection, there is a building right at the edge here, and there's this billboard here. So we reasonably couldn't have seen this potential hazard coming our way at the high rate of speed that they were traveling, because they were, by the time we got here, they were really coming at us quick. And then once they realized what they had done, they, instead of carrying on through, they quickly turned it into a right turn and went down this road. And of course, as I looked at their back window, I could see the N on their back window. So they were a novice driver, probably just having a good time and not paying attention to the fact that their light had turned red. But again, what I'm trying to show you in these videos is not that you should be super cautious. I don't want you to come here and stop and hesitate and check and then go when you've got a green arrow here. What I'm trying to say is you should stay vigilant, keep those eyes moving, scan in all directions, stay curious behind the wheel. Don't just assume, okay, green arrow, that means I go. No, we check and then we go. So this time we got lucky. We stopped, and they stopped just mere inches from us, and nothing really bad happened. But this is how collisions happen. One person is not paying attention, and the other person is not ready to prevent the collision from happening, right? So in this case, we weren't able to see that far into the road, and they were not paying attention to their light.